Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to set up the Epson XP-4205 printer step by step. First, take the printer, power cord, ink cartridges, and other accessories out of the box. Keep in mind, do not open the ink cartridge packages yet because they should remain sealed until you are ready to install them. Next, remove all tape, plastic, cardboard, and protective material from the outside of the printer. After that, lift the scanner unit until it locks into place. Carefully remove all protective material from inside the printer. While doing this, avoid touching the flat white cable because it is a sensitive part. Once everything has been removed, lift the scanner unit slightly to release it, then lower it until it catches, lift it slightly again, and lower it completely. Now, connect the power cord to the back of the printer and plug the other end into a wall outlet. Do not connect the printer to your computer yet, because the setup program will tell you when to do that. Next, raise the control panel and press the power button to turn on the printer. At this point, you can use the Epson Smart Panel app on your phone or tablet. Download the app from your device's app store, open it, and follow the instructions. If the printer does not appear automatically, tap the plus icon, select Start Setting Up, and continue with the on-screen steps. However, if you prefer to continue without the app, use the printer's arrow buttons to select your language and press OK. Then select Continue Setup without the app. Now it's time to install the ink cartridges. Lift the scanner unit until it locks into place. Next, gently shake only the black ink cartridge. Do not shake the cyan, magenta, or yellow cartridges. After that, open all 4 cartridge packages and remove only the yellow tape from each cartridge. Keep in mind, do not remove any other labels or seals, and avoid touching the chip or ink outlet. Now, match each cartridge with the correct color slot inside the printer. Press each cartridge down until it clicks securely into place. Once all 4 cartridges are installed, check that they're sitting flat. Then lower the scanner unit completely and press OK. The printer will now begin charging the ink. This process may take a few minutes, so please be patient. During this time, do not turn off the printer, unplug the power cord, or lift the scanner unit. Once the ink charging process is complete, you can load the paper. First, open the rear feeder guard, raise the paper support, and slide the paper guides outward. Next, load at least 3 sheets of plain letter-size paper into the center of the rear feeder. Make sure the printable side is facing upward and the short edge goes into the printer first. After that, move the paper guides inward until they lightly touch the paper. Do not push them too tightly because this may cause paper feeding problems. Then return the feeder guard to its position and pull out the front output tray. Now follow the instructions on the printer screen to select the correct paper size and paper type. The printer may also ask you to adjust the print quality. Simply check the printed patterns and select the clearest options. You can choose Adjust later, but completing this step now can help improve your print quality. Next, let's install the printer software on your computer. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet and that the USB cable is still disconnected. Now, open your web browser, visit the official Epson support website, search for Epson XP-4205, and download the latest software package for your computer. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the instructions on the screen. When you reach the connection screen, choose either wireless connection or direct USB connection. For a wireless setup, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the correct password. Make sure the printer and computer are connecting to the same Wi-Fi network. If the printer is not found, check the network name and password. After that, restart the printer and router and then try the connection again. For a USB setup, keep the cable disconnected until the installation program asks you to connect it. Then connect one end to the printer and the other to your computer. Once the software installation is complete, print a test page to make sure everything is working properly. After that, you can test the scanner by placing a document face down on the scanner glass and using the Epson software or Epson Smart Panel Panel app. You can also make a copy directly from the printer by placing your document on the scanner glass, selecting the copy option, and starting the copy. If your printout has missing lines or incorrect colors, run a nozzle check and print head cleaning from the printer's maintenance menu. Finally, your Epson XP-4205 is now set up and ready to print, scan, and copy. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you need additional independent setup or troubleshooting support, you can contact us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.